Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the PBF Squeeze Indicator for MT4. This oscillator is designed to highlight periods of market compression and potential breakout conditions using volatility and momentum information. By the end of this video, you will see how it is plotted, what its components represent, and which settings you can work with. The PBF Squeeze Indicator for MT4 is a volatility and momentum oscillator that helps traders grasp changes in trend and identify when the market may be preparing for stronger directional moves. It operates similarly to other oscillators like MACD, focusing on gauging trend, pointing to possible reversals, and signaling phases of market volatility. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Okay, we have it installed now and it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the PBF Squeeze Indicator appears in a separate window as a histogram around the zero line. The histogram bars are colored red and green to reflect bearish and bullish bias, and the relationship to the zero line helps show when the indicator is using positive or negative momentum. Traders can visually track rising or falling bars, zero line interaction, and counter trend histogram peaks to understand how trend strength and volatility are shifting without treating these as direct trade instructions. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. The indicator includes parameters that control the calculation of the histogram and its smoothing, affecting how quickly it reacts to changes in price and volatility. Visual settings allow customization of histogram colors and styles to align with your preferred chart appearance. As for who is for, the PBF Squeeze Indicator is suitable for traders who want an oscillator focused on volatility, compression, and trend changes that can be used for scalping, day trading, or other approaches on MT4. It is explicitly described as a lagging indicator and may generate false signals, particularly on lower time frames or in choppy markets. It should therefore be used as a supporting tool for analysis and confirmation, combined with price action and risk management, rather than as a standalone signal generator. You can download the PBF Squeeze Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This has been a brief explanation from the Forex Geek showing how the histogram, zero line, and counter trend features can help you read volatility and trend changes. If you like oscillator-based indicator tutorials, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 content.